Guys, this is a quick tutorial on how you can enable your webcam as well as your microphone on a Chrome browser. Okay. With this tutorial, you can be able to change your camera from your integrated camera, which is the default camera that comes with your laptop, to OBS or to Manicam or to any kind of camera option that you have on your desktop or on your laptop. Okay. And this is just only meant for Chrome browser. Okay. So let's go over to my system. Let me show you guys. Just come to your Chrome and double click your Chrome, open your Chrome and go to the top right corner over here. Okay. And click on these three dots that you see on the top right corner. Now go to the go to settings. All right. Now come to privacy and security. Click on privacy and security. And over here, you can see site setting just down here. Click on it and this page opens. Now for the camera, you can see this is your camera. Once you click on it, it opens here. And from here, once you click here, you can see the camera is on Manicam. You can put it on integrated camera, which is the default camera that comes with your laptop. You can also put it to dual cam, and you can also put it to, OBS and so on. All right. So whatever thing that you're doing on this Chrome browser that has to do with video call or whatever, you have to set the one you want to use so that whenever you use this Chrome browser, it can be able to display from any of these options that you selected on this Chrome browser. So let's go back to the setting again. Let me show you guys. Okay, just go to the setting and go to privacy and security, then go to site setting, and for the microphone, click on microphone here. And here, in case if you installed voice.ai on your system, once you click here, you will see it as an option here. So you can see microphone array AMD, okay, microphone Manicam, and microphone, dual cam. So if you install voice.ai, you will see voice.ai here. So in case if you want to change your voice in a live video call or whatever you want to do on this Chrome browser, you have to definitely set it to your voice.ai and open your voice.ai and select the kind of voice that you want so that the output of whatever you're doing in this Chrome browser will go through voice.ai. So this is just all I just want to share with you guys in this video. You guys should not forget that for those of you that are using Manicam to make live video call and your Manicam is not showing full screen like a normal video call, the update is available, and you can contact me for the update. All right. If you want your WhatsApp video call to be full, or if you want your Messenger video call to be full, or any kind of video call that has to do with long video call, you want to achieve that whenever you're making video call with any of the platforms that shows long video call. All right. You use Manicam on default, it shows just a very small screen below your the other side of the phone screen. All right. But I will show you how you can make it full. All right. So in case if you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Asuken Kingsley, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in a daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new games and app in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my videos, make sure you hit the subscription button and turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. Like always, you guys should stay creative and remain blessed.